Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. For today's video, I'm gonna show a GoPro angle comparison. Now, I created this video like a year or so ago. It's kind of cringe. And if we take a look here on YouTube, it only got 51 views. So I think it deserves a little more love than that. I think it's a solid video. It shows the comparison of the different angles really well. So I'm gonna re-upload it, roll the video. What's up guys, Andy here, and today I wanna do a GoPro camera test for you. This is gonna be a test of all of the angles on the GoPro. So depending on the resolution, you can get different angles, like 1080p will have the most, and then 2.7K and 4K will have less. But with 1080p, that's what we're going to use today, just because it has the most options. The options are Superview, Wide, Medium, Linear, and Narrow. As you guys know, I love using GoPros, but a lot of people have issues with them because of like the fisheye and distortion and stuff like that. So that's what this video is all about, just testing those options and seeing which one will be the best. By the way, I have my GoPro connected to my phone here. That's how I'm changing all the options using the Capture app. So my ideal setting is as wide as possible with no fisheye. And there's also plugins you can get for like Final Cut and Premiere that will correct the fisheye distortion. So we're going to take a look at all of them. And I'm going to put some labels down in the corner so you know exactly what every video setting is. This is Superview. This is Superview with the fisheye plugin. This is Wide. This is Wide with the fisheye plugin. This is Medium. And this is Medium with the fisheye plugin. This is Linear. This is Narrow. And now I'm going to try and show a side-by-side with all of the settings. So there you have it, a test with all the settings. So I hope that helps you figure out which setting is the best for you. If you have any questions about this, be sure to drop a comment down below and I will try and answer that. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for vlogs and video tests like this one. I'll see you guys next time.